All the volunteers.
All Intel volunteers too.
Volunteers, Pasi, volunteers.
Ritika, Manya, please come over here.
Praveen.
Praveen, need you here. Praveen.
Ritika went there. Ritika, come here. Alright, folks. Alright, folks, can I have your attention, please? Alright, so it's been a very hot day and an exciting and exhilarating day today. Thank you all for another fantastic edition of this charity tournament. This is our 12th year conducting this, Folsom Cricket Club. This year it's Bawarchi Cup 25. Over the 12 years, we have donated over $100,000 combined to Shankara Hari Foundation, local schools, and this year to Suvidha International Foundation and Trikarna. Suvidha International Foundation adopts villages and provides them basic needs like clean water and other necessities. Trikarna is a charity foundation that was just formed that donates to kids in need with books, pencils, pads, and all the stuff that they need for basic education. So give them a big hand, guys. They are the real heroes. Thank you to all teams for participating in this tournament. We had 24 teams. Big clap for them. Without this, thank you to all the volunteers here who have worked day and night for the last, I guess, 2-3 months just to put this together and make this tournament as flawless as possible. Thank you all. This is special thanks to the two girls, Kritika and Manya, who've been going all around the afternoon, giving lemonade, water, cleaning up trash. Thank you, girls. Thank you again. Now, I'll go to the sponsors who are very important for all of us, without which this tournament is not possible financially. Bawarchi Indian Cuisine, as you know, Praveen Nagaland, sumptuous food, right? So, and if you can see the flyers and those posters there, there's a lot of offers and offs. So please make sure that you avail of them for excellent biryani. Then we have Shankar Reddy Pati, who also has been sponsoring us for a long time. He is a local realtor for all your home needs. Please go to him. Now, Uday, you should come here. Malika Deckers, Sahiti and Uday. For anything from Arangetram to birthdays to weddings, if you need decoration, go to Malika Deckers, guys. Next, Rabacons LLC. This is an IT consulting company. If you are in need of a job, Rajan Vadapalli is the guy. Rabacons LLC. Then Kavindu, who we all know from Davis Cricket Club, runs Pro Strikers and Fine Clicks Photography. He also is providing us gift vouchers that will go with for all the semi-finals, finals, MVPs, and the Division B and A runners and finals. Thank you. Thank you to all these guys. And last one, but not the least, Hide and Seek Blinds, Sri Harsha Grandi, for any of your curtains, blinds. He's the guy local in Folsom. He can serve anywhere in the Greater Sacramento and North California. Now, guys, so let's get to the awards. Since we are getting dark, so we'll try to get it as fast as possible. We'll start with the semi-finals MVP, then finals, and winners and runners-up. We'll start with Division A semi-finals. EDH Gladiators versus Bulls. Bulls won by 6 wickets. Player of the match, Harry Punjab, 25 runs of play. 1 4 4 sixes. He gets a trophy trophy and $50 in gift vouchers from Fine Clicks and a Power 3 discount coupon. Thank you. Now Division A semi-finals. Actually, next division. This is Division A semi-finals. Kings 11 versus Mavericks. Mavericks won a nail-biting finish in super over. Man of the match, Mohit Natraj. It's a trophy and $50 gift vouchers again from Fine Clicks. Thank you. Now Division B semi-finals. Kings 11 versus Top Gun. Top Gun won over Kings 11 by 2 wickets. Player of the match, Rajshekhar Kannana. Oh, sorry, this is Division B finals. Yeah, go. You are the MVP. Now for the Division A finals, best player of the match. So I'll start with Division A finals best player. This is Bulls versus Mavericks. Mavericks won off the last but one ball. The player of the match again here is Mohit, 45 of 20. Again, and a $50 gift voucher as well. So both Top Guns owe Rajshekhar a lot for his semi-final and final performance, and Mohit obviously for Mavericks. Give them another round of applause. Now Division B will go for the runners-up. It was an exciting final with Kings 11 versus Top Guns. Top Guns won by 2 wickets again. So they get a trophy, Division B runners-up, which is Kings 11 and the $150 gift vouchers from Fine Clicks and who's coming, guys? Kings 11, come on guys, everybody. And they get medals as well for runners. Yeah, come on guys, everybody come. Great job guys, come on. Just take it. And then one captain comes. Come on. Come on. Collect the captain. How are you, captain? One second. Alright, now for the Division B winners, 3P champions, Top Gun 6. So they get a trophy, medals, $300 in cash and $50 in gift vouchers.
Team photo. Two in a row.
Watch out, guys. Guys, one picture.
Right, now for the Division A finalists, we'll start with the runners-up. Manya and Kritika, please come over. Manya, Kritika. Both of you come.
Ramesh. Ramesh. 2 steps.
Both give this. Both have to give this.
Right, Division A runners-up. Guys, can I have your attention, please? Division A runners-up. The Bulls have been consistently playing the whole day. They came up just short, but great job, the Bulls. Thank you. Runners-up, Division A, sorry, they get trophy, $500 cash, and $200 gift vouchers. Anya and Kritika, please give the award. Everybody is a captain.
Okay, can we hear? Come on.
Stay here, Manya and this thing.
Oi, आजा.
Manya and Kritika, one picture here.
Yes, can you scoot back? Right.
ले.
One picture. Stand there.
Little back.
Little back. One picture.
One step back, guys. One step back.
Ready? Good. Come on, guys. Big cheers.
Okay.
Right, big cheers.
Come on, guys. Good.
1, 2, 3, cheers! Great job, guys. Now I'd like to request Praveen and Shankar Reddy guys to give the final Division A winners. All right, Division A winners, Mavericks, unbeaten team in the tournament. Great job, guys. $800 cash, 250 gift vouchers, gift vouchers, and medals and trophy, guys.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ
ಸೌಮ್ಯ ನೀವು ಓಕೆ
Srini.
ರಾವಲ್ಲ
ನೀವು ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಗೈಸ್
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
Ready, guys?
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
One more. I can't.
ಸೀತೆ
Go.
ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿರೀಶ್
Everyone come, guys. Everyone come.
Scoot it. Squeeze.
Guys, one announcement.
Cash prize, we are actually donating it to the cause.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Great job, guys. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Again, this concludes our tournament. Thank you all. Let's clean up and go home. And next year we'll be back again. Thank you.
All right, good job, guys.
Mommy, take the picture. Bro, if I get $500,000, I can also make such stuff. I got this.